Hello everybody, how you doing? Like, comment, subscribe. This is the daily price action technical analysis of Wupips, aka WuCrypto. Today is very interesting. I like to let my trades right out. I didn't make an update, but I would have taken profit already. Once I seen price hit this 10 solid, I would have taken profit. That would have been enough for me. Trade is still currently active as a signal. But I would have taken profit. I don't like to be greedy. I'm still working on my greed. But right here, this is a very interesting area. I don't know what's going to happen. Some would say this is a head and shoulder. There's some downside movement. Price will still be projected to go to 9,327. And also there should be a nice. Right now it's at an indecision level. Like I said, I use this last relative to this was this motion right here of this upper channel, which was then broken down into a downtrend, which I spot this setup right here to gain these types of profit. I would probably re-enter, but right now I don't really want to trade. But I did make 11 bucks that day on that one trade. Came back, price came hit here, because remember I tried to enter later into the trade, and then the drawdown. Remember I said trade can go against you and then go into your favor. Well, I did not let the winning trade turn into a losing trade, which is, very awesome. But at the same time, you just gotta take your time. Trading is, you can't rush it. If you're into trading for the short term, you're not gonna win, because trading is not about the short term. Trading is about long term success. It's crazy. I just gotta learn to be patient. Time, you'll see a lot of incredible things. Everyone who starts following me now. If you do subscribe, there's more content. Doing a sweat coin giveaway soon, and I'm gonna let everyone know in the next few videos. But right here on this 5 minute, this right here is where we have this inverted head and shoulder. You could even see it here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then boom, continues to go up. There was a neckline. This would be the neckline. Price came, rejected here, but possibly found some support yet. It's all a waiting game. Like I said, trading is about patience. You don't want to rush the trade. You want to, take your time and let the trade play out. This can continue to go down, but if you are currently still in this trade, place your stop profit just to be safe right here, so you can pocket that income if you took the signal. If you didn't take the signal, it's alright. I'll do another video where if you do subscribe, you end up watching that. Also comment on any other type of trading styles or trading information you would like, because I just do what everyone else is doing when it comes to the trading, like trend lines, channels, all the simple stuff, Fibonacci, well, yeah, that might be my next video, but I like to use fibs for take profit positions. Like, I would have liked to swing Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's too volatile for me. Like, it gets you excited, and then, like, look here, for everyone who's greedy is like, oh yeah, it's gonna keep on going down, and they sold. They just lost. They went against that. But if you had to use your trend line, you would have known, oh snap, Bitcoin's going sideways real quick. It made a triangle, like. And they're like, how did you notice that? It's just time. You gotta spend time with the charts. The charts is very crazy, because like Bitcoin's so volatile. Like, look how many movements like these little swings are. What are swings? Y'all might be asking. Alright, this would be a higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, and then boom, created a lower low, then a higher low. A higher low, and then a new higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low. And it's a lot of remembering and also getting it right, because practicing all of this in the beginning wasn't easy for me. It took me time. I've been practicing for over 2 years, I would say, but I've made withdrawals. I'm net positive, but I don't get excited to trade like how I used to, so I don't trade as aggressive. I wait. Like this looks like a nice setup, but I don't want to enter a setup like that because it can come here and retest. I would wait for like a cleaner indication, probably on a higher time frame of an engulfing. Yeah, see, that's scary. Because this engulfing did engulf these candles, but this candle right here came back up. This can turn into a wick, but like you see, it's just time. You got to spend time with these candlesticks because the body right now says there's a lot of sellers in the market, but just because there's a lot of sellers, look how out of nowhere a buyer can enter. But we do see some resistance because this horizontal line that I have, relative horizontal line, that's what I call these within the channel, of when price last came around here, it did have its kind of a struggle, because here's the first point, here's the second point, here's the third point, here's the fourth point, which was a bounce, and then it shot up, found some resistance up here to the last relative, which would be this one. I think is my H4. Yeah, boom, H4 from way in the past, which was a neckline of, because this could have been the shoulder, head, right shoulder. Oh, my bad. There we go. Left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder. This could be a right shoulder, but we don't know yet. We gotta let price, continue to do its thing. It's still under this resistance, so there's still selling opportunities in the market. But I'm looking for that area where price is gonna find some support and shoot up, because Bitcoin is gonna shoot up in the next few months. Because if we go back to our top-down analysis, when we go back to let's do the week. The week is there's a lot more clarity there. Alright, boom, for the week. We're showing sellers still have some type of control. This right here would be an invalid morning star, which didn't complete, but there's exhaustion here, which is, very interesting, because I've seen this kind of setup on other pairs. Price can get exhausted for a while, and then buyers come into the market, which would make this evening star on a higher time frame, like the monthly, it would show up as probably as an engulfing. Yeah, see right there, this is a doji. Sellers might come here, price might come retest this area. This is why I left this pattern up, because if price comes retest this area, it might just repeat the same kind of movements, but it'll give me some type of indication. Because for the day, we do have some bullish movement. Price went sideways, but this pattern still being tested. This harmonic pattern right here is being tested, and we just gotta wait. It's a waiting game. We don't know what's gonna happen yet, but price did come find this type of confluence with this trend line, hit the trend line, and it did push down, which I kind of missed out on. I'm okay with that, because a lot has been going on lately. But let's get into some crypto right now. Put any comments if you had any question about my analysis of any sort, because I know everyone has their own chart vision, their own chart view, how you see the charts. The charts can be explained in so many different ways. I use trend lines, I use Fibonacci's, I use things of that nature. Price action, things that I can see what price is doing, get an overall analysis, use the Japanese candy bottle stick bodies to give me like patterns. If I see patterns, I know how to react to those patterns, and from there I can move on forward. Take 100 pips, take 50 pips, get a nice solid move. Practice doing that every day, or every week, or however long it takes for the next setup, to apply itself. Because at the same time, a lot of the time, these patterns, they might show a potential of it being there, but then it will fake you out if you don't learn how to wait for a close of a candle. Like Bitcoin nugs. I think I'm gonna call this video Bitcoin nugs. Bitcoin nuggets. BTCUSD is a bomb pair. BTCUSD at Will Master is becoming one of my very liked pairs. I've been struggling with it for a while, but watch, y'all see the breakthrough. Once the breakthrough persists itself, you're gonna be like, wow. Y'all can come back, watch all these videos. You know, some of these, I think videos I made an ABC. It was a small ABC, but the take profit didn't hit, so it wasn't a valid ABC, but the setup was still ABC. And then from there, you know, we just move forward. This is in the description if you like. You don't have to do this. I do this just because, you know, entertainment purposes. Gotta entertain the viewers. And I have my Hextracoin investment, which is a loan. You know, I've lost in other loans, but hey, everything has its regulation. I still have, you know, crypto is still a crypto. They just haven't been able to regulate it. So when there's rapid growth, they kind of don't like it. I mean, it's understood, but it's not understanding from my perspective why it would be like that if I'm taking a risk. You know, why do I have to lose out? I mean, I guess they don't like, I don't know. I just know I do Hextracoin. I have Davorcoin, but I've been trading. I don't have enough to trade and do Davorcoin yet, so this is why I've been waiting. I want to get a solid setup. I want to really get like a solid buy setup on BTCUSD and just ride it up. Because with that, I can scale in other trades within that trade and still, you know, find growth. Boom, 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 and just maintain my orders. Oh man, they didn't let me sign in. Boom. Hextracoin. I'm just gonna show y'all, like, you know, the growth I've had. 64%. Lending. Show y'all how many days. The coin itself is up $41 per coin. I have $0.87 worth, you know. That's pretty dope. That used to be like 3 cents. Nice growth, you know. You can make, I got in early. There's a lot of other ICOs, 70 days. I'm up 64% in 70 days, not bad. And then this is also in the description if you like to do a loan. You don't have to do a loan. I do this for short-term gains. If I can get double my money, I'm good. You know, I just doubled up. Anything past that is just house money. That's what I want to call it, because I made my money back. Hextracoin, it is what it is. So I'm going to make it 100% risk-free for me. Once I make it 100% risk-free, I'm going to go promote a ham because I made 100% of my money. Anything above that is just addition. Oh, trying to be going on my own YouTube on YouTube. That's funny. But Hextracoin, free Bitcoins, BTC daily analysis with price action. Showed a lot of price action, trendline bounce, support resistance, things of that nature. Showed y'all my Hextracoin profit, the little growth I have here. And I mean, Bitcoin is dropping. I held my trade open, but I don't try to chase the money anymore, because chasing, you will lose chasing, trust me. I've chased a long time before I realized I shouldn't even be chasing. That's just how trading is. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.